Whose idea was this?
Need some help? Came in. Do it again. We like it. Shot over to the right too much.
Well, I don't have enough angle to get fast there.
I knew it.
Give it a second to drop.
All right, do it again.
Didn't you get it out of the, let the exhaust didn't go under. Come on, you can do it. Step 2.
Come on, one more time.
Let's try it again. I like that.
Try to ace in the middle.
Oh, vapor lock.
Almost. That is too damn funny.
Please tell me to go for it. Quit rolling, please.
Probably taking that for the race.
Oh, we got stopped dead in the track, dude. Right in the middle.
Fucking knew it.
He didn't take the right line.
Yeah, that was a good short.